Hello, welcome again. Blender offers different shading mode: the wireframe, the solid view mode, the material preview, and the render preview. The render preview and the material preview may consume a lot of memory and may slow down the process of modeling. The solid shading mode is used to consume a small memory and then allow to speed the modeling and the animation process. But sometimes you may need to see the colors of the objects while staying in solid mode, because normally they are only, by default, they are only seen when you are in the material preview mode and the render preview mode. To demonstrate how you can see colors, temporary colors assigned to objects, staying in solid mode, especially for those who have low memory or small processor which are not very fast, I'll use these 4 objects. Stay in solid view mode and demonstrate 2 ways you can do it. The first one is you can come here in more shading options and then you click random. This way you can see your various objects, but the colors do not change the way you want. You may need to have, let's say, this in red, this in yellow, and so on. That way, you need to change the option to objects, and this is the second method. Once you change to object, you can come here in the properties panel, you select the object you want, and then you come here to the object properties, you scroll down to view display, and then you set the color you want, for example red. You select the second object, you set it, for example, to green. You select the cylinder, you set it to blue, and you select the torus and you set it, let's say, to yellow. This way you can proceed with your modeling process. You can take a screenshot that you want, staying with a raw memory because you are in solid mode. Of course, the memory increases, but not that much. Thank you very much. Those were 2 methods of viewing color in the solid mode, but note that these colors will not be rendered. If you go to render mode or to the material preview, the color changes. As you remember, in solid mode, this was red. For example, here it is blue because they are the colors that we had the first set. So thank you very much. Consider promoting our channel by subscribing, by giving us a thumb up, and clicking the bell notification icon so that you can see our future videos. Ciao.